Well, here's a thing that I'm doing for YouTube. Sorry if I didn't record earlier. So yeah, I'm trying to clean my room as best as I can, but right now I'm just chilling. So yeah, think about doing something else, like doing my laundry is one of them. So yeah, I'm doing that. So hey. So, yeah, I'm trying to get my uncle to clean my vent out, so, yeah, so, anyways, sorry if this is being short, so, yeah, last thing I'm gonna do is make my bed, put all my clean laundry on there, and maybe do some stuff, so, after that, so, yay, but anyways, peace.